on the Riemann sum, or the midpoint Riemann sum. And yeah, this is the second time I will be taking this video because the first time was 5 minutes long and it didn't record. So yeah, to start, we have this definition that's super long, so I'm just going to read it. We have using the halfway point between the left endpoint and the right endpoint of the rectangle to find the height. So the halfway point would be here. That's our x value. All right, so to find a midpoint height, let's say you're not given the function and you're just given, say, a table or this graph that just labels heights but not the function. You would take y1, which is the height of the left Riemann sum, and y2, height of the right Riemann sum, add them together, and then you would divide by 2 to find the middle. And I actually should put this first. To find the midpoint, if you need to put it into a function, so like if you need the x value to put it in the function, you would take x1 plus x2, so left endpoint, right endpoint, add them together, then divide them by 2, and that's your midpoint. So let's just get right into it so this makes more sense. So let's say it asked us to divide it in 4 intervals. We have interval 1, interval 2, interval 3, interval 4, subinterval, sorry, which is the same as the rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so let's just find base 1 times height 1 of this first one. So to find the base is normal, like the last two. You take x2 minus x1. So it would be 30 minus 14, and that equals 16. Oh, I wrote this wrong. Let me write it like we did the last one. So let's erase this. 30 minus 16 times, we need that height. And this is where it's a little more difficult. We would add 99, it's a y, not a 99, y99 plus 80 divided by 2. All right, so we can use a calculator, we can use our hand. Let's do this by using our hand. Actually, let me make this hand. So we have 30 minus 16, I don't think we need to write that out. That's 14, but this we do 99 plus 80, so what, 9, it's 9 plus 8, it's 17, good job, whoever said it. It's probably me, actually. Okay, so then we have 179 divided by 2, and that would be 89.5. Actually, I probably should have wrote that up there, equals height. So then we have 89.5. So let me just cross this out and rewrite it down here. 14 times 89.5. And that equals, I'm just going to cheat and use a calculator this time. Actually, this is no way now. Let's just erase that. That equals, let's grab this handy dandy calculator because I'm lazy right now. 89.5 times 14. That equals big number. I'm not sure why I chose big number. I'm sorry, guys. 1,253. All right, so that's just this one, the first one, right? So then you do the same for the second one, which I will actually do, and then y'all got the rest. Actually, I'll go through it in my practice problem, but you gotta try first. So then the second one, which would be 30 minus, 34 minus 30, B1, H2, there we go. And then for the height, it's 121 minus 99 over 2. So we're going to do the same thing. So we have a height, we have a base of 4, sorry. It's a lot smaller base. So yes, as you can tell, these bases will change in value because they like to do that. But then also, as you notice later, I didn't even finish this, I don't care though, that these heights will be very differing. So like up until 34, we have an increase. And then once we hit 34, it's a decrease. So these are going to be smaller sorry, these are going to be smaller areas than this one, but there's still areas that we have to add because not every function is going to be like this or like this. Some of them, like this one, are like that. That was a very bad drawing, but you get the point. Not everyone is literally a straight curve left or a straight curve right. Not sure those are the right words, but that's what we're doing. So back to this problem. 121, that's a plus, don't let me trick you, over 99. We have 0, carry the 1, 11, 12. Carry the 1 again, 220. Oh, and then we have 220 divided by 2, which is 110. So then we have 110 times 4. I don't need the calculator for this one because I got a calculator in my brain. Is 4. Actually, I'm just kidding. 440. So so far we have this 1,253 and 440. Right? And so then, then y'all, by y'all I mean everybody, can find the third one and the fourth one and then add them up by using this formula and what we just did down here. So then I will have the explanation of this, but please try, remember, for at least 15 minutes if you're struggling to figure it out, try to solve it, figure out what you're doing wrong. And then if you still can't do it after that 15 minutes, then you can come watch the video and see how I do it because I'm the teacher, y'all.